sige, babalik ako sa ang barangay at maraming kalye na dito. Ngayon araw, pupunta kami sa ang Maze Runner, baby. Tara na! And that guy. Somehow I got behind this gate. Now normally, that's like a 15-minute walk from BGC, but normally, if I was walking down a street like this, I would not go into a gate like that. It's just really residential, a lot of homes back there. I kind of feel like I was trespassing, even though technically I'm not. Hello. Couple of good spots for some urban street photography here in Makati, and came across this one today on the Pembo side, and it reminded me of a shoot I did about a year ago with a pretty prominent model here in the Philippines, and she saw some of the stuff I was shooting on my Instagram and said, hey look, I'd really love to do an urban sort of street vibe photo shoot, and I said, I know just the spot. And I never published any of that stuff. So I did shoot a bunch of video from that photo shoot, and we'll take a look at that today. You guys want a picture? Oh my goodness! Talaga? I think they're shy.
Magkano kilo sa dito po sa Kalamansi? May broccoli kayo. May kalabasa.
I like your orange pumpkin. Ooh, that sounded naughty. Alright, sana yun. Zone 8. O siguro Purak 8. Purak, siguro ang Tagalog salita para ang zone. Hindi ko alam. All I can see already from Zone 8. Construction's newer. More modern. Although some of it's still pretty classic. It's nice. Cool house. And the cops are just checking me out, so that means it's time to split. Yeah, the Motion Picture Association of America loves that particular practice here in the Philippines, but what can I say? It is what it is. Here's another one. Nice cool open roof deck up there. Look at that birdhouse. Sweet. Another house tucked back in here with an open roof deck. That one's cool with its little spiral staircase to the top deck. This one's cool. It's got double decks, top roof deck, and a medium roof deck. It's hard to see that one in the distance. It is covered with solar panels and has a basketball court on top. That's pretty cool. There's another one. It's got a porch and a top deck. Really nice. Walking down here, I kind of hit a dead end. So that's interesting. Well, kind of looks like a house. Not sure how far I'm going to walk down along the river here. I'm sure there's going to be a road or two like this one it cuts back up into the barangay. But there's some interesting shots down here. Door, chair, debris, and rooster. Guys hiding the face, huh? And the finger too. Talaga? OMG. What would your mom say about that? This is a chicken coop.
Patingin ako ng camera. Dito ka daan.
I got a whole gaggle of goons today. What is wrong with these guys' ears? Oh my god.
500 lang.
Bawat isa picture ba?
That is sad as hell.
Hoy, tabi!
Well, I sure did not expect to find myself down by the river today. I gotta ask them what the river is, actually, I forgot. And they were really friendly and cool, and they gave me some information. No one likes the camera here. It's not a river, it's a stream?
Yeah, goodbye.
Alright. They're crazy. They said it's Amarillo River, or stream. They actually said, it's not a river, mother effer. Hello, how are you? I almost missed it walking by. I couldn't even tell. I thought it was like a pigeon coop or something. Very interesting looking construction there. And I'm back down at the river. Hello.
Hello.
How you doing?
Huh?
How are you? Kumusta? Okay lang? Never like to see that. Hello.
Hello, you vlog?
Say again?
You vlog?
Sometimes, but I'm just taking pictures today. Why, do you want to say hi? Hello from Pembo, Makati. Oh, look at this little cute guy. Well, it feels like I've reached the end of the road here. I mean, obviously you can walk down that way, but I think I'm gonna head back up towards BGC, which is this way. Oh. Bridge over troubled waters. Another nice open roof deck here in the barangay, and oh, puppies on the street. Hello, little puppies. The last thing, at least I would expect to hear blasting off the construction site in the barangay is air supply, but another roof deck up here. Seems to be popular. Part of the magic of being here in the maze is just going with whatever whim takes you. Maybe I see something colorful down the street or an open roof deck, and I'll just go that way for a little while. And hello, how you doing? Maybe I could. You have ice. The Niog. You can get the coconut water here too. I just bought 3 tomatoes and 2 bananas for 30 pesos at that little store. More bakeries. More side streets. That looks like the river again down there. So the river sort of bends around. Now that is a cool building. Look at that. Big open roof deck. Really cool terraces. Nice house. There's another one. It's really cool. Another cool roof deck with a staircase to the top. I love this house. It's just so super cool. Okay, why not? That's a really cool spiral staircase up to the roof deck there. And then the street. Into the distance you can see BGC, the Metro Bank building. Well, looky what we have here. An INC. Iglesia Ni Cristo Church, you can see it from the BGC side. You can see it in this wide view shot that I took the other day from SM Aura, and I had no idea that I'd walk down this far. If it's where I think it is, it's right next to the major Palengki here. Let's see if I can find it. Yeah, that's the one. I mean, it's kind of hard to miss, and there aren't that many of them sticking out around here. But on the back side is the Palengki. Some of these shops are closed at this time of day. But I think the goulash shops where you can get vegetables and stuff. Oh, longanisa. Unrefrigerated, of course. Like all the really good, fresh, indigenous vegetables to the Philippines, like the malunggay, right? The chili leaves, the bok choy or some kind of choy. Looks good. Tofu, even potatoes, which I stopped eating, and of course the Chinese eggplant, which is really popular. Lots of fish. Hey man. Chicken. Maybe that's on ice, I don't know. I mean, you can see a lot of these guys are still jumping. Hi. So, I mean, that fish is fresh. You can tell it's fresh because it's still alive. All right. So I was apparently back in Barangay Rizal. I must have come upon it from the backside. Hello. Everyone's been really friendly. All right, now I gotta figure out which way leads back up to BGC. I can see that looks like McKinley Hills. That's cool up there. I gotta watch my step here. Hi. They just say hi whenever they see the camera. Oh wow, great. Bakery. How do you like that? 35 pesos for your Nike shorts. I mean, they're orange, but hey, beggars can't be choosers, right? Nice dresses. I actually like that one there. What's up, man? You want a shout out?
Yeah.
Shout out.
Shout out to me, to myself, on the YouTubers right there. I'm Erwin from Makati. Thank you. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to her or him.
He'll subscribe to her. Thanks, man. Yeah, the first time I came down here, I remember this joint because I thought, you know, Divisoria prices was my kind of jam. It's packed today. Roof deck on this house. You can see they're going working the gardens, baby. So when I say you can rent a cheap room close to BGC, I mean, I'm not kidding. I might be like a 10-minute walk from SMR right now. Yes. Alright, they told me to go straight all the way up and make a left. Never been back this way. It's kind of cool looking. And there's just one cool looking building. This is a crowded little street. It's so cool where I'm coming out. I totally recognize it even though I haven't come out yet. Yeah, the first time I came down into Pembo, I did a little shoot right here, but I never walked down there. Now I know that's a shortcut to where I want to go. My next jump off point into the maze.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content from the fabulous Philippines.